children, we are going to continue with the workbook. Okay, it is for the second chapter, nervous system. Hmm? First Roman is, that is the first question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, first Roman is about the true or false. And the first question, can we compare a brain to a computer? True. Okay, first one is true. Respiration in our body is controlled by cerebellum in the brain. It is false. It is controlled by the medulla oblongata. Okay, second one is false. Third one, cerebrum help us to memorize things. That is true. Okay, fourth one, if we accidentally touch a hot iron, we immediately withdraw our hand. It is an involuntary action. Yes, it is true because reflex action is a part of involuntary action. Okay, it is actually reflex action. Since reflex action is a part of involuntary action, I made it true. Okay, and the fifth one, sense organ give message to our muscle directly and tells them what to do. It is false. No, sense organs does not tell our muscle. The message goes to the brain, and the brain has the motor nerves to convey the message to the sense organs, and the sense organ act accordingly. Okay, and next one, match the following. Okay, voluntary action, it is turning on electric switch. Okay, voluntary action is turning on electric switch. Cerebrum help us to take decision. Cerebrum help us to take decision. Okay, skull, what does it do? It protects our brain from injury. Okay, protects brain from injury. Okay, automatic action is regular beating of a heart. And cerebellum maintain postures and balance of the body. Okay, third question, part A, give the expanded form of the following. PNS stands for peripheral nervous system. Okay, CNS stands for central nervous system. Okay, what do PNS and CNS comprises of? PNS comprises of sensory, motor and mixed nerves, and CNS comprises of brain and the spinal cord. Okay, what are the functions of the nerves in our body? Nerves carries message from the brain to other parts of our body through spinal cord and from other parts of the body to the brain. Okay, the message, what does the nerves do? It carries the message from the brain to the other parts of the body and from other parts of the body to the brain. That is the function of our nerves. Okay, next one, you have to draw the diagram of a brain and label the parts like cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. And next one, you have to draw the diagram of the spinal cord. Is that clear? Okay, and the sixth one is, which type of nervous system is constituted by sensory, motor and mixed nerve? Also mention the role played by these nerves. Okay, peripheral nervous system, it composes of sensory, motor and the mixed nerve. Okay, that is the first part. Sensory nerve, they carry the message from the sense organ to the central nervous system. Okay, and the brain tells us what to see, hear, taste, smell and touch. Okay, so what does it happen? Sensory nerves, they carry the message from the sense organ to the brain and it will help us to see, hear, taste, smell and the touch. Okay, motor nerves, they brings message from the CNS to the muscle and helps them what to do. Okay, the message brings from the CNS to the muscle and they'll help them what to do. And the mixed nerve, they perform the function of both sensory and the motor nerve. Okay, this what is the sixth one answer. Okay, instead of touch, I've written as taste. Just make the change there. Okay, first part it is hear, see, taste, smell, and touch. Okay, there's a small correction. Just redo it. Next one. Guess who am I? I am the part of the brain that help us to maintain body balance while walking and running. That is cerebellum. Okay, I carry message from the brain when you throw a ball. That is voluntary action. I am the part of the brain which help you to remember things, cerebrum. I can do work both motor nerves as well as sensory nerves. That is mixed nerve. I am the action which is not under your will. That is automatic action. Cerebellum, voluntary action, cerebrum, mixed nerves and the automatic action. Okay. You have to differentiate. Next one, you have to differentiate between the automatic and the reflex action. So what is meant by automatic action? Means an action that occurs on its own. What is automatic action? An action that occurs on its own. It is automatic action. And the reflex action, it is a spontaneous, automatic, sudden mechanical response. Spontaneous, automatic, sudden mechanical response without the will of the individual. Spontaneous, automatic, sudden mechanical response without the will of the individual is reflex action. Okay, what protects our brain from head? Brain in our head. Why it is necessary to protect the brain? Skull protects our brain, and the skull protects our brain from the injury. Okay, why it need to be protected means in order to protect the brain from the injury, our skull protects the brain. Okay, state the importance of reflex action in our life. Okay, the reflex action help us to react immediately in the emergency situation. During reflex action, spinal act as the immediate response to the external stimuli. Okay, reflex action help us to react immediately in the emergency situation. During reflex action, spinal cord act as the immediate response to the external stimuli. That's what is the answer for the 10th one. Okay, and the next one is MCQs. Okay, in the case of MCQs, let's mark the correct answer. Brain, spinal cord and the nerves together constitute the nervous system. Okay, brain, spinal cord and the nerves together constitute what? The nervous system. Dash control all the function of our body. Brain controls all the function of our body. Dash is the part of the body which is responsible for the circulation of blood in our body, that is medulla oblongata. Okay, first one is nervous system, second one is brain, and the third one is medulla oblongata. Dash is a part of the brain which maintains posture and body balance, that is cerebellum. Cerebellum is the part of the brain which maintains posture and body balance. Okay, dash act as the center for immediate response, that is the spinal cord. Dash carries message from the sense organ to the central nervous system. Who carries the message from the sense organ? Sensory nerves. Okay, fourth one is cerebellum, fifth one is spinal cord, and the sixth one is sensory nerves. Seventh one, dash carry message from the central nervous system to the muscle. Who carries? It is the motor nerves. Okay, dash is a reflex action. Stimulus received by the body is transferred as a message to the spinal cord. Okay, seventh one is motor nerve and the eighth one is spinal cord. The rapid action of pulling of our hand on touching a hot iron is a reflex action. Ninth one is the reflex action. And the last one, beating of our heart is an example of automatic action. Okay, 10th one is automatic action. And this is about our workbook, and the application part you have to take your parents' help and do it on your own. Okay, it is like, which make you to think and do it. Okay, children. Okay, bye.